profile tab, like that profile. Hi and welcome to this new videos. And in this video I will teach you how you can list your products on the Facebook Marketplace. So to list your product on the Facebook Marketplace, you just click on the three dots at your right hand corner, and that's what I'm doing in the video. After clicking on that, you see a Marketplace tab. Depending on your phone, you might not see a logo like that, but you can read the Marketplace written. So don't worry, when you just click on the Marketplace, you will find a lot of products depending on your location. So because I want to list my product like these people, all I do is click on the profile icon like this. After clicking on the profile icon, this page that appears, we can find create new listing there, and that's what exactly we want to click on. So after clicking on create new listing, we can find a lot of things there. So here you just click on the category. I just take electronics because I want to sell a mobile phone. Under electronics, we can find a mobile phone, so just click on it. So condition of what I want to sell is used but still good. You can find used like new, but used but still good. If it has a, I don't know what the carrier is, but the device name, this device name tab, you can find many phones there, but most of them are new phones. But since I don't have my device name there, I will just write it on what are you selling. So I'm trying to sell Huawei P9 Lite Mini. That's my phone name. That's what I'm selling for a price of $20. So just a simple description of my phone. It's a good phone. It works well without issues. That's it. So I can just since I want to negotiate with my customers, I can just say negotiable price. Yeah, negotiable price. We can negotiate. So list as a single item. So if you have a shop, you can and have many type of the same item that you are selling, you can just list it as a stock. So when people buy, another person can buy. People will know that you have different type of same phone. So I want to list as a single item because I have only that phone. So do you offer shipping? If you offer shipping, you can activate it and let customers see that you offer shipping. Since I'm not offering shipping, I leave it off. I don't want to hide it from friends also. That's why the hide from friends tab is off. I want to turn on commenting so that people that around me can comment on my listing in the Facebook Marketplace. So after that, you will add photos. Yes, this is the phone. This is the photo of the phone I want to add. So it will upload and take time. Since my uploading will be taking time, I will only choose to upload one image. So you can upload a lot of image there, up to 10 photos of your product, and letting people see what exactly it's all about. So before you click on publish, so after clicking on publish, you can see that they are suggesting some groups that we can publish our item, but I am not publishing it on any group, so I click on the skip. So now I already have my item listed on the Facebook Marketplace. So that's all. Other people can see my item, but well, I can't see it here. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you a lot. Bye.